Mighty Morphin Learning. Hi kids, my name is Mighty Morph, and I can change into anything I want. Do you know the name of the continent that's behind me? It's the world's second largest. It's Africa. Do you want to learn all about animals that live there? Okay, follow me. Whee! Wow, this is cool. Well, actually, it's quite hot here. Because it is so hot in Africa, animals need to drink lots of water. So a water hole is a great place to see them. Ah! Were those horses wearing pajamas? Do you know what type of animal those were? Zebra. Do you know what a lion calls a stampede of zebras? Fast food. So would you like to see a lion? Lions can be dangerous, so maybe I'll just change into one. Lion. Did you know a lion is the only big cat that lives in a group? A group of lions is called a pride. Africa is also home to the world's tallest animal, and it eats almost all day long. Can you guess what it is? Giraffe. A giraffe can grow to nearly 20 feet tall and will eat between 15 and 65 pounds of foliage a day. Africa is also home to the largest land animal alive today. Do you think you know it? Elephant. Do you know why elephants don't use computers? Because they're afraid of the mouse. The largest primates also live in Africa, and they live in groups called a troop. Do you know their name? Gorilla. The arms of a gorilla are longer than its legs. This enables them to walk on their knuckles. The next animal loves to roll in mud, mainly to keep from getting sunburn. I sure know what that feels like. It also gets its name from its horn. Do you think you know it? Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros means nose horn in Greek. Do you know how to stop a rhinoceros from charging? Unplug him. Uh-oh, I think I hear those zebras again. I hope you had fun learning about African animals, and thanks for all your help. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mighty Morphin Learning.